Meanwhile, soldiers from the 123rd Separate Territorial Defense Brigade recorded a bad failure for a Russian assault group. A boat carrying a squad of 7 people hit a sea mine with terrible results. The video shows the boat moving very fast, staying close to the shore just meters from the dirt, using the thick reeds and river grass to hide. It traveled a short distance before hitting a water mine placed earlier by Ukrainian Marines. The explosion was huge, instantly throwing the men into the rough water. Those who survived the first blast faced a hard end. Weighed down by heavy combat gear and wet clothes, they fought against the water with little chance to live. The video ends by showing the sad reality of this failed escape. Drone operators from the Falcon Squad made a precise strike against enemy forces using the underside of a bridge as a shelter. After this, they moved to target soldiers reportedly hiding inside a nearby building. The Russian troops looked panicked as the sound of the drone grew louder. The strike was done with such skill that the enemy forces were left shocked, unable to react to the drone's ability to fly through small spaces. A Russian soldier hides under a bridge, but a drone spots him and strikes without waiting. Nearby, inside a damaged house, 3 more soldiers take cover. The drone dives again, delivering another perfect hit. One survivor runs toward a nearby building, but the drone follows, striking deep in the forest. At the edge of the forest, a Russian soldier is seen moving through the trees. He is quickly spotted and targeted by a Ukrainian FPV drone. Injured by the first hit, he crawls desperately toward a nearby tree, hoping for safety. But only moments later, a second drone flies in, goes deeper into the woods, and strikes him again. Accuracy is the main goal. A direct drone hit took out a soldier trying to hide in a small, hidden hole. The operators timed the dive perfectly, making sure the bomb went into the small opening. In a ruined neighborhood, 2 Ukrainian soldiers approach separate houses where Russian troops are hiding. Each soldier carries a heavy anti-vehicle mine. They reach the windows, place the mines inside, and quickly run back to a safe distance. Above them, a scout drone watches, confirming the enemy is inside. Moments later, both buildings disappear in a cloud of smoke and dust, collapsing from the powerful blasts. Near a drainage ditch by the tall grass, a Russian soldier stands his ground, with his rifle raised, firing wildly at the air. A Ukrainian FPV drone approaches, moving skillfully to dodge the incoming bullets. As it gets closer, the soldier turns to run away, but it is already too late. Seeking shelter in a drain pipe did not work for one soldier. He had turned an abandoned concrete water pipe into a small bunker, thinking it was safe. However, a skilled pilot flew the drone right into the tunnel opening and exploded the bomb inside. A very sad scene shows a Russian soldier, maybe already hurt, walking on 2 sticks. He is quickly targeted. At first, the drone hits but does not explode immediately. Thinking the danger has passed, the soldier tries to pick up the device. A delayed fuse causes a big explosion. The blast throws him down violently, ending the fight. Every second of waiting on this battlefield has a heavy price. In a wide-open field, another Russian soldier was seen moving alone, far from his unit. The flat land gave no protection, only tall grass and small bushes. He tried to blend in with the ground, but modern cameras saw him right away. Ukrainian operators watched patiently, waiting for him to stop moving. As soon as he slowed down, a drone was sent. The first hit hurt him, leaving him open. Leaving nothing to chance, the team sent a second drone to finish the job. Open ground gives no safety. Once seen, you cannot run. With drones flying overhead, tracking every step, surviving in such conditions is very hard. In another place, a scout drone tracked a single Russian soldier in full gear, trying to blend into the surroundings using a camo net. He moved very carefully, looking at the horizon, thinking his hiding tactics were working. An FPV drone was already following him. The operator flew the drone quietly, staying low until the final seconds. As the strike hit, the impact caused a second blast, starting a fire at the spot and taking out the threat. Supply lines stay a main target. A Ukrainian drone quickly targeted and stopped a Russian motorcycle used for supply runs and scouting. In a different fight, another drone played a dangerous game with a soldier on foot. The drone circled over the Russian fighter, making him tired and scared. For several long minutes, the Ukrainian operator flew the drone carefully, keeping constant pressure on the target. The fighter, looking very tired, stumbled and tried to find safety in nearby bushes. But the drone did not stop, changing its height and speed, waiting for the perfect chance. When the opponent finally fell down from being so tired, the operator guided the drone in for a direct, final hit. Soldiers from the famous Birds of Magyar unit saw hostile movement along a forest line on the Eastern Front. A Russian soldier was found operating deep behind the lines, forcing the strike drone to fly a long distance to reach him. Constant air watching ensured the target never got away. Looking drained, the soldier seemed to be searching for a place to rest, not knowing he was being hunted. His attempts to hide did not work. Once he stopped, a drone was launched, flew through the difficult terrain, and made a perfect hit. The hit was confirmed, and the target was stopped. Another soldier takes cover behind a tree, believing it will protect him. The drone locks onto his position, and despite the hiding spot, the strike is successful.